African Pagpahon. Pagpahon sa proper na tao wrestling. Kung matunda properly.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, Bukidnon. Welcome to Carmonan Regaño 2012.
Well, the events for today, for our horse mounted in only one. The on-foot event is Carambola, where 4 players will touch or will hold a cow and put it down in tie.
Papatakbo ng kabayo, bumubuhal ng baka, nagsisilo ng baka, at saka mayroong pagpasubra niya po, pwede rin pumapatay ng baka. Magkakatay ito, pinsan ko, mayroon to sumusunod sa kanya, babae pa, dalaga, college na. Mamaya, makita nyo mamaya, sumasakay ng kabayo, mamaya yun.
Actually,
Bukidnon is the cowboy capital of the country. There are a lot of professional cowboys who are even going outside the country like Australia and New Zealand. They are hired abroad already. They believe in the skill of the Bukidnon cowboys. They say that Bukidnon cowboys are the best.